And an expected bonus for the batting side. 4 wides gifted by the bowler. That's good batting. That's sensible batting. But that's hit high. Fielders are converging. Safe hands. The fielder made no mistake with that opportunity. The batter heads back, disappointed after that dismissal. The right-hander on strike. Nice running there. 2 added to the total. That's gone high up in the air. What a catch. That's brilliant in the field. What a cheeky celebration from the bowler. He's definitely got something to say. The fielder was in the right spot at the right time and made it look routine. That's the end of his stay at the crease. He's heading back. It's the left-hander on strike. He's making the bowler think. What is he planning to do now, the batter? Are going to need to bowl that one again. Wide signaled by the umpire. Good over that one.